Oklahoma Supreme Court Chief Justice recommends removing judge for Oklahoma City, AP. The Chief Justice of the Oklahoma Supreme Court is recommending the removal of a lower court judge who was caught on camera scrolling through social media and texting during a murder trial. Time equals 400 Ms. Greater than an investigation by the Oklahoma Supreme Court Council on Judicial Complaints found District Judge Traci Soderstrom exchanged more than 500 texts with her courtroom bailiff during the trial. Texts included in a court filing showed the judge mocked prosecutors, laughed at the bailiff's comment about a prosecutor's genitals, praised the defense attorney and called the key prosecution witness a liar, according to the petition filed Tuesday by Chief Justice John Kane IV. Soderstrom, who was sworn in on January 9 after being elected in November, was suspended with pay pending the outcome of a hearing by the court on the Judiciary, which will determine whether to remove her from the bench. The pattern of conduct demonstrates Respondent's, Soderstrom's, gross neglect of duty, gross partiality and oppression, Kane wrote. The conduct further demonstrates Respondent's, Soderstrom's, lack of temperament to serve as a judge. A phone call to a number listed for Soderstrom rang unanswered before disconnecting Wednesday. File. In this image from security camera video, Lincoln County District Judge Traci Soderstrom looks at her cell phone during a murder trial, June 12, 2023, at the Lincoln County District Court in Chandler, Oklahoma. Chief Justice of the Oklahoma Supreme Court John Kane IV is recommending the removal of the district court judge who exchanged more than 500 texts with her bailiff during a murder trial. An investigation by the Oklahoma Supreme Court Council on Judicial Complaints found Soderstrom mocked prosecutors, laughed at the bailiff's comment about a prosecutor's genitals, praised the defense attorney and called the key prosecution witness a liar, according to the petition filed Tuesday, October 10. Lincoln County District Court, the Oklahoman via AP. File. Soderstrom's texts included saying the prosecutor was sweating through his coat during questioning of potential jurors and asking, "Why does he have baby hands?" according to Kane's petition. The texts described the defense attorney as awesome and asked, "Can I clap for her?" during the defense attorney's opening arguments. Soderstrom also texted a laughing emoji icon to the bailiff, who had made a crass and demeaning reference to the prosecuting attorney's genitals, Kane wrote. Christian Tyler Martzell was eventually convicted of second-degree manslaughter in the 2018 death of Braxton Danker, the son of Martzell's girlfriend, and sentenced to time served. Martzell's girlfriend and mother of the child, Judith Danker, pleaded guilty to enabling child abuse, was sentenced to 25 years and was a key prosecution witness who was called a liar by Soderstrom during testimony. State just couldn't accept that a mom could kill their kid, so they went after the next person available. Soderstrom texted, according to the filing from Kane. Soderstrom's texts also included comments questioning whether a juror was wearing a wig and if a witness has teeth, and calling a police officer who testified pretty. "I could look at him all day." When questioned by the Council on Judicial Complaints, Soderstrom said her texting probably could have waited, rather than realizing the comments should never have been made. She said she thought, "Oh, that's funny. Move on." Time equals 400 Ms. Greater than security video published by the Oklahoman newspaper showed Soderstrom texting or messaging for minutes at a time during jury selection, opening statements and testimony in the trial. Kane's petition also said Soderstrom had previously criticized other attorneys and prosecutors, and berated a member of the courthouse staff. Kane wrote that Soderstrom should be removed for reasons that include gross neglect of duty, gross partiality in office and oppression in office.